Hey, handsome. Oh, what are you doing? Henry. What are you doing, big boy? Can you flex in your muscles? Oh, you're big. You're so big. Where's that smile? Where did it go? Say, I'm 12 weeks old today. 12 weeks old. What a face. What a face. You think that camera's pretty funny? Do you?
So do they both go, or?
Is that funny? Hi, handsome. Hi, big boy.
Yes, you can eat juicy now.
Where's your smile? Where is it? Where is it, big boy? No? No smile?
Does it look sweet?
You're silly.
What?
Say, hi, Daddy. I love you.
Was it too close?
Oh, bless you. Bless you, bless you. Big boy. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Baby brother don't eat stew. They're too little. Are they too little?
No smiles? What if Mama rolls you over? Do, 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 do. No? Love you, big man. You're a good boy.